Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Right, we're doing question number 20 from chapter 5. It's saying, under which circumstances does a tax burden fall entirely on consumers? So I've gone ahead and drawn out a tax scenario, PC being the price paid by the consumers, PP being the price paid by the producers, and PE being the equilibrium price. And as we can see from this example, as well as just being stated out in the book, the side which is less elastic is going to take the greater burden of the tax. So in this case, demand is very inelastic, right? Because of this steep slope. Demand is very inelastic, which means the consumers are going to take the brunt of this, which makes sense, right? Because they're paying all this extra from equilibrium, whereas producers are only paying this extra from equilibrium. So in what situation would only consumers will be having the tax burden fall on them? Well, let's say there's, a relatively normal, or even let's make it slightly inelastic demand, price and quantity up here. In what situation will it only affect consumers? Well, if the producers are perfectly elastic, it's not going to matter to them, is it? If their supply curve is perfectly elastic, it will not affect them. And let's graph it out why. Here's the equilibrium price, but here is also the producer price. Here's the consumer price. In this case, only the consumers are paying for the tax. The producers are still paying the same price they originally did, right? Because the equilibrium price and the producer price are the same. And this makes sense because it falls in with the adage that the less elastic side takes on the